Agent Mode lets Copilot work autonomously, handling multi-step tasks without user prompts. Traditional Copilot needs user input for each suggestion, while Agent Mode simplifies this. It can manage complex tasks like analyzing files and making changes. Standard Mode handles simple tasks, but Agent Mode tackles comprehensive requests efficiently. Unit tests are generated automatically after code changes, with no manual actions needed. Traditional Copilot doesn't address testing, but Agent Mode includes this crucial step. Developers retain control over code changes suggested by Copilot. Agent Mode requires user approval before permanent changes, ensuring oversight. It understands and executes commands given in natural language. Both modes use NLP, but Agent Mode enhances execution proactively. It's important to see how well Copilot integrates with coding environments. Agent Mode integrates deeply, positively impacting workflow compared to traditional suggestions. Developers can provide feedback on changes, adding flexibility to automation. Agent Mode facilitates feedback loops after tests, unlike traditional Copilot. Agent Mode may need an adjustment period, unlike the straightforward traditional Copilot. Agent Mode accelerates task completion compared to the manual approach of traditional Copilot. Agent Mode includes proactive error checks, unlike traditional suggestions relying on user checks. Adding new features based on prompts improves coding with AI. Agent Mode expands feature implementation beyond simple prompts, unlike traditional Copilot. The developer community's reactions to Copilot's new feature. Agent Mode has sparked extensive discussions online, unlike earlier features. Concerns about developers relying too much on AI assistance arise naturally. Agent Mode raises more dependency questions compared to traditional Copilot. Measures are needed to prevent unintended code changes. Agent Mode includes safeguards for review, unlike traditional Copilot for complex tasks. Developers' overall sentiment towards AI in coding. Agent Mode has mixed feelings, unlike the positive reception of traditional Copilot. Efficiency in managing repetitive coding tasks. Agent Mode reduces boilerplate code burden compared to traditional Copilot. How AI tools like Copilot affect developer roles and responsibilities. Agent Mode shifts routine tasks away from developers, unlike traditional Copilot. The dynamic between human developers and AI tools. Agent Mode encourages collaboration, unlike the individualistic workflow of the earlier model.